Ratchet hairstyles.
And a mess with girls' hairdos.
And today we'll be doing the 7-second challenge.
The 7-second challenge, you guys. 7 seconds, see? See, look, do it. See the 7 seconds. No, 7. And well, anyway, we're gonna do the 7-second challenge where we have to do something in 7 seconds, you guys. 7 seconds.
So we made a list of things to do
For each other.
Yeah.
And now let's do this, you guys. Oh, wait. So since I'm going first with an awesomer and this is 7, I will just tell her what to do first. Okay. I know, right? So the first thing that we're gonna do for her is get a stuffed animal and sing to it. So 7 seconds. Wait, hey, not yet. Starting in 3, 2, 1, action. 1, 2.
Oh, McDonald had a fun.
5,
Yeah.
6, 7. Okay, good job. Well, you have a point now.
That's 1 point. For your challenge,
Oh.
you have to sing the ABCs in 7 seconds.
Sing it like ABC. Okay. Do I have to
3.
sing it? Like
Yes.
sing it.
3, 2, 1, go.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. I know Hey, I did say the Z part. I was just doing extra, okay?
Fine, you get half.
No, I have
3/4 of a point.
3/4. Okay, 3/4. Next one for you, little lady. Make a fashionable look with the things in the basket. And the basket is over there. I have a little basket there. And she has to do a fashionable look. And I have to judge. And it's 0.1 to 1 point. So go. Wait, not yet. 3, 2, 1, go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, come back now. Come back, lady.
Guys, this is my outfit.
Okay, so Mom does that first. So what's your project?
My head. I have those little collars. Those people.
There's a doll?
Yeah, that.
Wow.
And then I have a scarf to complete the look. And then it matches my striped shirt.
I'm gonna say 0.7.
Excuse me.
Because I thought you would have done like a little thing with your hair. Like a little tie-up thing. Because you're creative with hair stuff. So just saying.
Okay, then you better watch out for your next challenge.
Okay then, my next challenge.
Okay. Wait, it's not even that hard. Okay, for your next challenge, oh no, you have to do 15 push-ups
Okay, well,
in 7 seconds.
where do I do it?
Here.
Okay, 15 push-ups.
Yep. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 0 push-ups.
No, I did too.
That doesn't count.
Yes, it does.
0.
It's not fair.
You get 0 points.
I'm being so nice to you. You're being so mean to me.
Well, you judge my fashion choices.
Okay, next one. Name 5 One Direction songs.
Okay,
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Sugar, go.
Up all night, what makes you beautiful, one thing, and night changes. Wait, how many is that?
That was only 4.
Oh.
So you only get 0.8. 0.8.
Oh,
Okay.
you're right.
So mean to me.
Oh, this one's pretty easy. Okay, for your third challenge, it's easy. You have to hold your breath for 7 seconds.
Okay, that's easy.
She's a swimmer, so it's easy. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, you get a point.
Yay! Finally. Next one. thumbs?
Yeah.
So then you get
That's disgusting.
I'm gonna wash it. Next. Wait, it's my turn now, right?
Yeah, it's your
Yeah,
turn.
it's my, yeah.
No, it's my
Oh,
turn.
please.
Your next challenge. Don't worry, it's easy. You have to use the toilet, wipe your cookie, and then flush the toilet.
I don't need to.
You don't need to pee, but in 7 seconds. So in 7 seconds, you have to use the toilet, wipe your pookie, flush, and wash your hands. Not me, not.
Yeah, because washing your hands takes 20 seconds.
Yes. Okay, so in 7 seconds, you ready? 3, 2, 3, 1, 0, go! 5, 4, 3.
No, I don't want flush it though.
Oh, you didn't say that.
Oh, I didn't know I had to say done.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, you get a point.
Okay, finally, a game. Okay. My turn. Oh, this one has to be bathroom related too. We have to run out out the room and to the bathroom, and we have to grab 5 things.
Wait.
So any 5 things.
Maybe like 5 pieces of tape.
No, that doesn't count. Okay. In 5, 3, 4, 1, go! Ding, 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 ding. What is that? Well, that's your limit.
I got this. No, I got that. Some toilet paper. This thing. Yes. Toothpaste and. Well, I win.
No,
Okay,
you didn't do it in 7 seconds.
Did I have to run back to it?
Yeah. So, no point for you.
Explain that part.
And you didn't say that for the other one too. So.
Okay, your turn. Next challenge, you have to run all the way downstairs, tap someone on the shoulder, and then run all the way back up in 7 seconds. Okay. Wait. 2, 1, go! 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. You're like 4 seconds late.
Yeah, 'cause there's really no one down there.
Wow. You get 0 points. Your turn. I have a joke.
You have to say cucumber backwards.
Oh, okay.
Say cucumber backwards.
I'm tired.
I tried running. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Alright.
1.
Cute. Oh, I failed. It's so bad. I have the.
Okay, I'm giving you like 0.25. Because I can do it.
That's harder.
Okay, I'm gonna give you half a point. Nice. Okay.
Next, you have to do 10 jumping jacks in 7 minutes.
7 minutes? Okay, then I can do that. 7 minutes, fine.
10 jumping jacks in 7
Minutes.
seconds.
Yes,
Seconds.
minutes.
Seconds.
Okay, then.
Alright. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
I did 10.
Oh, really? I think I'll give you 3/4 again.
Okay,
You get 3/4 of a point, which is 0.75.
In 7 seconds, you have to make a different hairstyle. Okay. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, go. Wait, Lisa, I didn't know how to count. Oh my gosh, I didn't know how to count. Put it back. Hey, put it back. Put your thing back. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
This is called the split ponytail. It's called the wet slide slip. That's the mug slide slip split ponytail. Your face is a 0.
Oh, yeah, because it's a round thing, so it looks like a 0.
Okay. Oh, well, it's your turn. Next challenge is you have to take off your socks and put them back on in 7 seconds. You have to take it off all the way.
All the way,
And
girl.
show them your socks. So fierce. Alright. And ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh no! Oh!
There, see?
That doesn't count.
Yes, it does!
I got
3
0.
fourths. 3 fourths then.
3 4.
3 fourths.
You don't get any points.
Okay, next one. You have to tie yourself to something. You can use either my bag to tie yourself to something, or you can use my pin to tie yourself to something. Okay. In 3, 2, 1, go. Zero!
Now your next challenge. Impersonate Miranda Stevens.
What do you want me to say?
That's Miranda. Alright, in 3, 2, 1, go.
Stop it! Stop it, Ratchet! I don't like the way you're cleaning me. It's like, I don't like it.
0. First one.
Miranda doesn't say Ratchet. Okay, so
No.
you guys, I'm saying your name.
You get half a point. Half a point. I decide. I decide your points.
You have to do 3 yoga poses. In 7. Forget yourself. Hey, no! You sit down! You stand up!
You have to stand up.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, go.
I did it. Alright, the last one. Squat, you know? And then this one, which is a classic. And then,
Yes. Make it feel happy. Because, like, it's like, in the because I don't like the last one.
yeah, so that's about it. Whew, okay, next. You have to dance and do the Macarena all around. Like this way, this way.
Okay, that's Gucci's.
In 7 seconds.
We have you like all
Okay. So I go like dance, dance, dance.
Okay, you have to go to the money.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go! I wasn't even 360.
I did like this.
That's like one like this one. It's going this
I did do like that.
3 4 seconds.
Hashtag Team Ratchet or hashtag Team
Loser.
Bye.
Remember to subscribe, like, and comment.